His Excellency, the High Commissioner of New Zealand to Fiji, for the Assistant Minister Business Development and Representatives, the Director of Business Link Pacific, Mr. Steve Knapp, the Deputy Director of Business Link Pacific, Mr. Paul Wedland, Acting General Manager of Business Assistance Fiji, Ms. Nikita Singh, the team from Business Link Pacific, Business Advisory Services providers, members of the business community, MSMEs from the 12 countries. Ladies and gentlemen, Bulbinaka, and very good afternoon, so good evening to you all. Before I commence with my speech, I would like to acknowledge our Pacific Island MSME members who are here. Thank you for coming over to Fiji. Would like to advise that today we just ended our Pacific Island dialogue meeting arranged by the International Monetary Fund. A number of government leaders from the Pacific were there as well. So from Papua New Guinea, Kiribati, Nauru, Marshall Island, and Tonga, Samoa. So we had a good collective meeting for the last 2 days. It's a good initiative that we're trying to improve not only how we manage our financial aspects of our economy, but as well as look at how we can improve our standards of living, one of which we are celebrating today. It's a privilege to join you today as we recognize the achievements of the Business Link Pacific program, which was delivered in partnership with Business Assistance Fiji and supported by the national government. This collaboration reflects the shared commitment to strengthening and growth of the micro, small and medium enterprises in Fiji. Tonight is particularly special because we are not only celebrating results, but we are also launching two important initiatives. Those are the i-Taukei Business Tool and the Business Services Managers Award. Both of these are about recognizing excellence, deepening support for our MSMEs, and making sure that every entrepreneur, including those in our Taukei communities, can access quality business services in a way that is practical and culturally appropriate. Ladies and gentlemen, since its establishment in Fiji in 2019, Business Link Pacific has played a transformative role in building a business development ecosystem which directly supports around 1,247 Fijian businesses to access advisory services and formal finance. Behind these figures are real stories of entrepreneurs who are expanding their operations. They are creating employment and they are contributing to our national economic growth. This is exactly the kind of private sector-led development that the Fiji government is striving for. Ladies and gentlemen, the Business Assistance Fiji has played a central role in driving strong uptake of BLP services by effectively channeling support from both the New Zealand and Fiji government. Through this partnership, MSMEs have been able to access subsidies that reduce the cost of professional advice, also provide grants that help them implement concrete business improvements. These subsidies have helped many informal and semi-formal enterprises to professionalize, to keep better records, and to better position themselves for government support and formal finance now and in the future. It is without doubt that the strong collaboration and support with BLP and Business Assistance Fiji will contribute towards the first ever MSME strategic plan. It sets out a clear roadmap to build a dynamic, formal, and resilient MSME sector. The plan prioritizes improved access to business development services, strong access to finance, digitalization, and inclusive growth. And those exactly are the areas in which BLP is delivering practical results on the ground. To put things into perspective and exemplify the achievements made, please allow me to share some facts. It built a strong advisory network with 78 quality approved local firms in Fiji, contributing to a 12-country, 200+ advisor regional network. It delivered over $400 million Fiji dollars worth of advisory services, with the MSMEs investing more than 1.3 million Fiji dollars in business support. It provides 1,781 subsidies to MSMEs, including 942 subsidies to businesses with one or more female owners, subsequently strengthening gender inclusive growth. It disbursed 367 direct grants totaling over 2.4 million Fiji dollars to support innovation, business growth, climate resilience, and social innovation. It facilitated 185 concessional loans through financial partners such as the Sugarcane Growth Fund and the HFC Bank, subsequently mobilizing around 5 million Fiji dollars in additional finance to MSMEs. Also, it helped create over 300 new jobs, and that is 146 for men and 163 jobs for women. It rolled out online diagnostic tools such as the Business Health Check, Business Continuity Partner, Climate Action Sensor, Financial Funder, and linked them to tailor referrals to local advisors. And ladies and gentlemen, I also wish to highlight the strength of the tools and the systems that underpin this network, especially the i-Taukei business tools we are launching tonight. Through the BLP portal and MSME toolkit businesses, they can use diagnostic tools such as the Business Health Check, Business Continuity Partner, Business Climate Action Sensor, and Finance Funder, which have already guided thousands of Fijian businessmen and women to tailored local advisory support. Ladies and gentlemen, language and accessibility matters, which is why we are translating these tools into the i-Taukei language, which is a significant achievement, enabling more indigenous entrepreneurs, including those in villages and rural communities, to engage with them confidently. This initiative supports the Fiji government's commitment to cultural responsive services and to ensuring that no community is left behind in our MSME development agenda. Ladies and gentlemen, the program focuses on gender inequality, disability inclusion, social inclusion, and climate action is closely aligned with our national priorities. And that is why MSMEs are already acting by improving workplace accessibility, promoting women leaders, and adopting more climate resilient, energy efficient practices. This demonstrates that a business advisory service can deliver not only financial gains, but also positive social and environmental outcomes, and it reflects the responsible community-anchored private sector initiative and vision in the MSME strategic plan. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji government will continue to partner with Business Link Pacific, Business Assistance Fiji, the New Zealand government, our financial institutions, and others to boost access to finance. Also, to strengthen advisory services, and also support entrepreneurs in agriculture, tourism, manufacturing, services, and creative industries. Tonight we celebrate excellence through the Business Services Managers Award. To our managers and firms, Vinakabagalevu for your dedication, professionalism, and support for MSMEs in good times and also in bad times. Your behind the scenes work builds stronger businesses. It builds confident entrepreneurs and better livelihoods. In closing, my thanks to Business Link Pacific team, Business Assistance Fiji, and all advisory providers in the frontliners. We would also like to thank our financial partners, the regional colleagues from 12 Pacific Island countries, and resilient MSME owners facing economic and climate challenges. With a i-Taukei business pool tool and partnership like this, we are forging an inclusive, competitive, prosperous Fiji and a stronger Pacific. Vinakabagalevu, and thank you.